It's Rhonda King and I'm at Earthworks outside in the nursery where we have the Philodendron Monstera. This is a great choice for an inside plant. It comes in a 3-gallon container. They are priced to fly out of here. This is a popular plant. It has the holes in the leaves as they mature. Some people call it a Swiss cheese plant. It tolerates the shade outside, but it's going to really appreciate a bright spot in your home. You could come in and pick out one of our new pieces of pottery, and this Monstera would look fantastic in your home.
Little John Bottlebrush. This is a dwarf version of the larger shrub or small tree growing Bottlebrush. This is more spirally habit to it. Blooms off and on throughout the year, and max height is about 3 to 4 feet in height.
Today I have this beautiful cat palm, this lovely areca, and a beautiful Majesty. These tropicals arrived late this week and we are looking to sell these quickly. They are priced to move. They would look lovely in some of our new 2020 pottery. The cat palm, with all of these palms, would love a bright spot in your home. They also tolerate the shade outside. The cat palm is more upright. The areca has more of a bamboo look on its trunks, and then the Majesty spreads out more. This one's more upright, and these two spread out a little bit more. But if you're looking for a corner to fill a corner in your office, or a corner in your living room, or in a patio area in your home, these are lovely choices, brand new here at Earthworks.
We have in the back chocolate, Loropetalum chocolate, due to their real deep, rich, dark Merlot color foliage, and then they'll pop with a small tubular red flower in the spring and summer. And in front of that, we've created the installs here where we have the bigger plants in the back, and then the intermediate sunshine ligustrum. The more color, the more yellow you have in the plant. Since most shrubbery is green, having the sunshine ligustrums as well as the gold mountain duranta add a touch of gold to the foliage.
It looks like we've had a sloppy painter outside in our nursery the past few days, but actually these purple and white spotted petunias and these dark purple and ivory spotted petunias are perfect. There's no accident here. These would look fantastic in a new flower garden. If you're looking for a special pop in your flower bed, these are a great choice. Late last year, we had these flowers on our tables and they were very popular. So make sure you come by quickly so you can get yours.
Fashion azalea, as you can see, they like these temperatures and they're in bloom right now. It's a small dwarf, grows maybe 2 to 3 feet by the same width, has smaller flowers, a little speckle of darker pink in it. But sometimes, usually, you'll get 2 blooms a year out of these in the spring and then later again in the fall, October, November time frame. And one important fact I may add about the fashion azaleas is they like a very acidic soil. So you can put a soil acidifier in it. The pine bark mulch helps, but they really thrive with the acid, as well as camellias, hydrangeas as well, and hollies.
We're busy here at Earthworks stocking the shelves with brand new pottery for 2020. We are specifically bringing in pottery that's unique and that is specifically picked out for your houseplants. Please come in and see the different varieties. We have several to choose from. This sleek, shiny, beautiful pottery, as well as some of these matte finishes. And then we've got some with character over here, these faces. There's plenty to choose from. We'd like to help you pick out just the right piece for the plant you've chosen.